Washing your hands is one of the most important steps you can take to prevent the spread of diseases, including COVID-19. But there are times when you just can't. So alcohol-based hand sanitizer is an alternative. But not just any product will do. The CDC recommends hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol, also called ethanol or ethyl alcohol, or 70% isopropyl alcohol. How will you know? Read the active ingredients in the drug facts label. Be careful. FDA testing uncovered toxic ingredients in some products. Find out if your product is on the FDA list of hand sanitizers consumers should not use. If you find that you have a product on the list of hand sanitizers consumers should not use, please check out the link in the description for more important information, including how to dispose of it safely. After checking FDA's list, make sure you use it properly. To do this, in a well-ventilated area, rub hand sanitizer all over your hands, making sure it gets between your fingers and on the back of your hands. Do not wipe or rinse off the product before it dries, or it might not work well against germs. Done with that product, put it somewhere out of children's reach. Even a small amount ingested can cause alcohol poisoning or be life-threatening for kids. And your pets. Do not use hand sanitizer on your pet's paws or let your pet swallow it. Call your vet or pet poison control center right away if you think they have. Check out the links in the description for more information on hand sanitizers. Please share.